Hi, Jerry with Capistrano Mazda here, and today we have the 2019 Mazda CX-9 Grand Touring in Soul Red Crystal. Come join me for a walk around. The first thing you'll notice is the signature 5-point Mazda front grille. We also have full 20-inch alloy wheels and a beautiful 2.5-liter turbocharged Skyactiv engine with 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, giving you 22 city and 28 highway for a combined of 24 miles per gallon. Moving on into the interior, we have our power retractable moonroof, LED interior cabin lights, our frameless auto-dim HomeLink mirror, and our driver-oriented dash. Here we have our 8-inch Mazda Connect system. You'll have your applications such as monitoring fuel economy, entertainment for music, communication for all your phone calls, navigation, and your car settings. Moving on, we have our heating and cooling controls with automatic air conditioning, so the driver and passenger can set their own temperatures to their comfort levels, with heated seats and ventilated seats, along with a new heated steering wheel. And for those backseat drivers, you now have your own heated seats, along with your own climate control. On the steering wheel, we have our volume controls with voice activation, your info button for your dash, your Bluetooth controls, along with your Mazda radar cruise control. And new in your center dash is a 7-inch digital display, a visual guide for your iActive Sense features, your service, and remaining fuel. And an awesome new feature is the aerial view camera for easy parallel parking, complemented by your reverse camera. We have full leather interior with 2-way memory function for the driver, along with 8-way power adjustments, including lumbar. Thank you for joining me again today when we took a look at the 2019 Mazda CX-9. I'm Jerry with Capistrano Mazda, and we hope to see you soon.